Hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about three different off-campus drive 2023. So it's for both the freshers as well as the experienced professionals. So I have seen that many people whenever I mention 2023, I mean off-campus drive 2023, they say that only 2023 batch people are eligible. It is nothing like that. So 2023, that means this is the year when the off campus is happening, suppose December 2023. So it is nothing to do with the batch or the qualification or year of pass out batch, right? So I have seen like many people whenever it was 22, people are saying that only 2022 people are eligible. So this is just your confusion. Now let's discuss the first off-campus type. So this is for the Qualcomm, and they're hiring for the this is the campus hire. It is for the software engineering profile, and it's for Hyderabad location, and this is the job ID. So in case you are approaching to any employee or Qualcomm employee for reference, then you can share this requisition ID or recruitment ID with them for reference, so that they can give you the referral, right? And this is the time when the job was posted. So it's a fresh job, and they're hiring for the engineering group or engineering group software engineering, and the locations are Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida. So here they have mentioned Hyderabad, but I believe it's for other locations as well, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida. So it's up to you which location you want to join, and then you can decide whether it's a kind of hybrid or full work from office or home, right? And these are the like things they are looking for right now, like kind of platform level software engineering, patching activity, Linux, Android, Windows, so you can go through all these things, but let me quickly discuss about the minimum qualification or the eligibility criteria here for this role. And they are looking for the bachelor's degree, especially in the engineering, information systems, or computer science, or any other relevant field. That means non-IT people or non-CS or EC candidate are not eligible, like mechanical or civil or electrical people are not eligible, right? If you see here, these are the minimum qualification required or eligible people. These are the eligible people. And if you ask me about the which batch candidates can apply, so mostly 2024 candidates are eligible for this position, because this is a campus hire for 2020 through 24 people, and other batch candidates can apply, but first preference will be given to 2024 people, and other people can apply if they have less than 1 year of experience, because this is for the very entry level position. So if you have more experience and if you want to join, you can join, but you cannot expect like more salary from this position. Like for Qualcomm level, the salary will be high, but if you see according to experience, you may expect more salary, which you may not get, right? And the second off-campus drive is about the Google, and they are hiring for the software engineer profile, and this is for the Bangalore location. And minimum qualification required here is the bachelor's degree or equivalent practice experience. So if you have completed only bachelor's degree, then minimum of 1 year of experience is needed for this position with the software development experience in either of these role, like Python or skills, Python, C, C++, Java, or JavaScript. Like these are the minimum programming languages you must know. Like it is not that you will be knowing every all the listed programming languages, but minimum or the basics you should be knowing, like at least Python. If you know, then all good, or JavaScript or Java, right? Any combination. Then preferred qualification. So this is the minimum or the basic qualification, and the if you want to get more preference, if you have completed the master's degree or PhD degree, you will be getting more preference as compared to the other people, right? And if you have completed the master's degree, then if you don't have that much of experience or more than 1 year of experience, then it's fine. But for bachelor's degree, you must be having 1 year of experience, like or close to 1 year of experience, right, in this field. So this is the second position or profile, and you can go through all the responsibilities or your day-to-day roles or duties. You can go through later. I'll be sharing these links. And now let's discuss about the third off campus. So this is for the Genpact, and they are hiring for the consultant QA automation profile. So it's a kind of QA role. So 3 different roles I have discussed here. So that's why I have selected these 3 off campus. So in case if you are interested in this QA role or kind of automation profile, if you are looking for, then you can apply for this position. It's a very good role, and as you know, Genpact is a very good company. And so now let's discuss. If you see here, they are looking for the QA Java Selenium position. And Selenium, as you all know, it's a very good QA role. Like this is a automation profile, so that's why I am discussing about this role. And let me discuss about the eligibility criteria here. And bachelor's or the graduation or any equivalent with or any other qualification background with equivalent experience. And you must be having strong functional and the automation skill, and mid level of lead with proven ability to lead the teams. So that means they are looking for the experienced people here, because you'll be becoming the consultant, and you must be having some kind of like 3 to 4 years of experience, so that you can lead any team. I mean lead in the sense some junior or senior people, associates will be there, and like with you, like say 3 or 4 people will be there in your team, and you can take the responsibility of the deliverables, and you can lead them. So these are like 3 different positions of the profiles available. So basically let me summarize these things quickly. So for Qualcomm, you don't need experience or prior experience, and for this Google off campus, you must be having 0 to 1 year of experience. So 0 for the master's people or the PhD people, and for bachelor's you must be having 1 year of experience in order to get some kind of preferences. So it is not mandatory, but I am saying, because if you have completed the bachelor's degree, or if you don't have any master's degree, then 1 year of experience is good, right? Because you have that prior experience or knowledge in the relevant field, right? And for this Genpact, you must be having 2 to 3 or 3 plus years of experience for this position, because this is a mid-level experience range, right? So these are 3 various off-campus drives